Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach here, presenting this beautiful 2003 911 Carrera. It's finished in seal gray with graphite gray leather interior. As you can see, this car is in amazing shape. Paint is fantastic. All of the wheels, a lot of carbon fiber accents. Door panels, excellent shape. Look at the carpets, all of the seat surfaces. Back seats, excellent too. Center console, carbon fiber emergency brake, upgraded head unit. We do have the original factory stereo, will be included in the sale. Dashboard's excellent shape, non-smoking car, no dog hair or strange odors. This car has the Tiptronic 18-inch wheels, the leather front and rear, graphite gray leather seats, graphite gray floor mats, xenon headlamps, stainless steel exhaust pipes with the upgraded carbon fiber door sills here. Steering wheel, excellent shape. This car has 92,000 miles, but you could not tell from the condition. Sunroof, headliner, Alcantara. Driver's seat in excellent shape as well. Fold up the back seat for you as well. You can see, very nice. Pirelli P0s. Headlights, nice and clear. Generally, cars of this year, the headlights are yellow and oxidized. We will start it up for you. All right, Porsche prices are steadily rising, have been last few years. If you're looking for a super clean example, give us a call, 858-382-1319. We do take trades, can help ship this car all across the country. Would definitely recommend getting ceramic coating on this vehicle just to keep that paint looking outstanding. Everything will be on our website at iconiccoach.com. Video, Carfax available as well. Clean CARFAX. You can submit a credit application there as well. iconiccoach.com. Please give us a call, 858-382-1319. Please like and share this video. And hope you have a good day. Don't miss out on this super clean 911.